Hi, welcome to Co-Teach University. My name is Mr. Co. Let's get started. Today's video is about checking students' income forms. And the video is intended for the students that are studying to become a CEO as well as a banker. All right, in just a few moments, we're going to look at an example income spreadsheet, and we're going to look at two income spreadsheets. One with a student that has a last name income inequality factor of 78%, and another with a last name income inequality factor of 100%. All right, so here's the first student, and this student's name is student D. D as in dog, and they have an income inequality factor of 0.78, which is the same thing as 78%. Now, what I want you to notice is that these blue numbers are numbers that Mr. Co will write in. So I'll go in and write down how many points the students earn for science, math, and citizenship. Now, the red numbers represent what the student has calculated. Your job as the banker is to basically check. Did the student do this right? So basically anything in gray is what you want to check. All right, so let's kind of check this. So 18 plus 20 is 36. 36 plus 8 is 46. And 46 times 0.78, you know what? I don't have a calculator on me, but what I do have is this down here, this income help sheet. Now these income help sheets come in two. There's one for 78 and one for 100%. And these sheets are basically here to help the banker, because right now it's 46 and you're like, oh, okay, there's all this stuff to do. So this help sheet will hopefully help you calculate that quickly or verify that. All right, so let's remember the number 46. So here's the income help sheet. Here's a total points. And we want to look for 46, I think was our magic number. 46. Here's our income inequality factor. And our answer should be 35.88. Look back here. It looks like the student kind of missed that 0.88, which is actually a big deal. So what we're going to do, and you would actually do this in pencil or pen, you would actually add that 0.88. And again, 46 points right here should get you 30.5.88. And let me move this over so you can see. It's $717.60. So we should actually change this to $717.60. Now, as the banker, you're not going to do this electronically. You're actually going to have a piece of paper in hand. So what you could do is simply, you could maybe cross it out, or somehow cross it out, and then just kind of write in the new value, the new income. So once you check that and got this, use your income help sheet, you just kind of check that off as, hey, I checked that. And as the banker, once you actually paid that amount in my kid's bank account, go ahead and check that as well. All right, so let's move on to a second student. And this is student Q, Q as in Q-tip. Again, the blue numbers are written by myself. They are points that the student earned, and all the green is basically what the student has calculated. Now, student Q has calculated past this. This student has a degree. So let's kind of check that out. It's 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48, so that looks good. 48 times 1, anything times 1, it stays the same, so 48. And then 48 times 20, again, I don't have a calculator on me, but I have this income help sheet, and it's for 100%. Now, 1 is the same thing as 100%. If you think about it as kind of like money, $1 is the same thing as 100 cents. So let's look at that. Remember this number 48. So 48. So here we go. 48, 48. Aha, here we go. So the student should get $960. So let's double check that. 960, yes, all right. So this student claims to have a degree and they filled this out. And we just want to verify that by checking the co-teach university degrees earned. So this is basically a list of all the degrees earned through co-teach university. And we're just going to check here. Oh, yep, student Q earned a bachelor's. So we're going to go back here. Student Q, yep, you wrote bachelor's. So we're basically going to multiply this number 960 times 1.125. Now there isn't an income help sheet, so let me pull up a calculator. All right, so here's our calculator. Thank you to Google. And we're going to type in some numbers. Again, we're going 960. So I'm going to type in $960 times, and we're going to basically see, times 1.125. 1.125 equals $1,080. So let's check that. Yes, $1,080 is right. So as the banker, you can say, yep, I checked it. And if you paid them, then you would go ahead and check this off, but don't check that off until you pay them. All right, so that was our income spreadsheet. Just some things to remember. I will fill in these points here, the points they get for class, and the students would fill in these gray areas. Your job as a banker is to basically check all the gray areas, like, hey, did they add these numbers up right? Did they multiply by the income inequality factor? And did they get the correct income? Secondly, if a student claims that they have a degree, we just want to verify that and check that in our co-teach university degrees earned spreadsheet, and you will have access to that. Finally, another thing to remember is there are these wonderful income help sheets to help you, the banker, and just to let you know they're there for you. Please use them. That way you can check these income sheets accurately and also quickly. Thanks for watching, and we'll close with a quote from Nathaniel Hawthorne, an American writer, who said, "Accuracy is the twin brother of honesty, inaccuracy of dishonesty." Thanks so much.